Welcome, amazing ladies and stunning women, to my new video. In this video, we are happy to share with you a wide range of stunning short hairstyle ideas that are perfect for women of all ages. Prepare to be wowed as we showcase various short haircuts, including pixie cuts, bob hairstyles, and more. These amazing hairstyles will make you feel confident and look absolutely fabulous. So join me today as we explore over 100 unique haircut ideas in gorgeous colors that you can find in this video. Whether you are from the USA, UK, Canada, or anywhere else in the world, these hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to stay on top of the latest summer fashion trends. We bring you the most inspiring and fabulous hairstyling ideas. In today's video, we have something really special for you. We will present an exclusive collection of short hairstyles that are sure to spark your creativity and help you find your perfect look. From sleek pixie cuts to trendy bob hairstyles, we have created a selection that covers a wide range of styles and preferences. So without further ado, let's dive into the captivating world of short hair. When it comes to short hairstyles, the options are endless. In this video, we have selected and handpicked over 100 different haircut ideas that suit various tastes and preferences. You will be mesmerized by the and diversity of colors, styles, and lengths that can enhance your short and natural features and make a bold fashion statement. One of the highlights of this video is the stunning pixie cut. Pixie haircuts are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit any face, shape, and personal style. Whether you prefer a sleek and sophisticated look or a more playful look, you will find inspiration in the variety of pixie cuts we showcase. These short hairstyles are not only on trend but also very appropriate, making them a fantastic choice for busy people who still wants to look their best. As you watch this video, you will notice the extraordinary range of colors that can transform your short hair into a true work of art. From timeless black to warm brown, there's a color to suit your unique style and complement your skin tone. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. In addition to the variety of styles and colors, we have included some amazing transformational haircuts in this video. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair who opt for a bold and confident short haircut. It is truly remarkable how a simple haircut can completely change a person's appearance, and these transformations serve as a testament to the power of a hairstyle to boost self-confidence and make an amazing impact. We hope you are enjoying the video so far. Be sure to watch until the end, as we have many more awesome hairstyles to share with you. If you find inspiration in these short haircut ideas, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Tell us which styles you like the best and how they inspired you to adopt a new style. If you have not already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. By doing this, you will never miss out on any of our latest videos, which are packed with amazing hairstyling ideas, tips and tutorials. We strive to be your go-to source for all things short hair. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care, stay stylish, see you soon.